I'm Astrid.
Hi, I'm Stefan.
And we make up Adventures with Astrid. I'm super excited to have you come with us on so many adventures. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it. All right, good morning.
Good morning.
All right, where are we?
We are in North Bend, specifically in front of Tweeds, I think is what we
Yeah,
right, sir?
the famous Tweeds Cafe of Twin Peaks. So this is the famous cafe that you saw in all the TV show over the years. This is our launch point for our drive today. Where are we headed?
We're gonna go to Leavenworth today.
Yeah, we're going to Leavenworth, Washington, which is this Bavarian town up in the mountains. And the best way to do it, we have a loaner BMW M4 today, so we figured we'd take it to the mountains.
Yes, please.
All right, let's go.
All right, so we have officially hit Cleellum. For those of you who've not been here before, it is the teeniest of towns, but it's got some great hiking out here. If you get out into the mountains, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see super well, but kind of out that direction, there's some hiking. But it's this little teeny town that's mostly a through town, but I think you should stop and hike here. I've done it a couple of times. There's also some great places if you want to get out away from the city a little bit. Cleellum is our stop through as we hit some random traffic, as apparently only we can do in Washington right now, just continuously. What were they even doing? Do we know?
They were resurfacing the road.
Okay. So we took a loop that's not normal, but we're getting ready to stop by the best burger place in the world we wanted to make sure to share with you. So what kind of car is that, sir?
I have no idea.
Me either, but it's really pretty. Things we see on the way.
All right, so we are further on the drive. We're here in Cleellum and Twin Pine Burgers. Now, we'll turn the camera around here in a second, but you can see kind of back over our shoulder. This little place has been here forever. I came here as a kid, which is a few years ago, like a few.
And we kind of knew this was last stop for really good food if you're driving out to the coast. We did that a lot.
Yeah, so this is a great place to stop along the way. It's kind of out here by itself. There's nothing else around. They make great burgers, and plus, if you're going up and over the mountains where we're going, it's one of the best places to stop before you have a couple of hours without anything else.
Yeah, I look forward to it, and it's kind of my first stop to know I'm about halfway to where I want to be.
It's an adventure Astrid.
It's looking good. It's like just the right amount of people too. Today's forecast. Sunny with a chance of wine. Those are my people.
And there's the taco place we love.
Oh yes, this taco place is amazing. Opens at 11.
There you go. There's really cool architecture here in Leavenworth. Thought you guys would appreciate this. Cool tower overlooking the river. Alright guys, so back in the car.
With ventilation on.
Yeah, vented seats. What a cool, I mean heated seats, right? But vented seats.
Like, it's so nice.
So cool stuff. So pretty much just wrapping up here at Leavenworth. We're gonna go back over the mountains. Might show a little bit of video of that. It's a pretty day, even if it's a little smoky today because some of the fires here in Eastern Washington. But what a fun day. It's a great way to get out. There's some great shops, great stuff. You can go and get bratwurst.
And gelato.
Bratwurst and
so good.
Coffee gelato. Yeah, that was good stuff.
Brazil Cafe, yeah.
Yeah. All right, so let's head back to the mountains.
Can't wait. Let's do it.
All right, let's go. All right, guys, so one quick thing here. Well, the cool thing about being in Eastern Washington is there's fruit everywhere.
And we are in peak season for it, really.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go check it out, take some fresh, amazing fruit home.
Yeah.
That is better than grocery store, honestly.
Absolutely, and usually cheaper too, because the orchards are just right here. So
plus, support your farms.
Yeah, absolutely. It's like grow local, you know, buy local.
It
right?
tastes better, just do it.
All right, let's go see what we can find. All right, guys, we're out of the car here. We're just wrapping up the last little bit. We stopped at a park here at Lake Easton, and we wanted to show this to you because the rest is just driving home, and that's not all that interesting, right?
And to encourage you, take the side quest. So this came out of a place that we've driven by a bridge a ton and just kind of wondered what it connects to. You should see what it connects to.
There's a really cool closed road fishing bridge I've seen from the highway my entire life, and so we're like, hey, let's stop. And plus, you get this great view back here of Lake Easton back behind us, which is really, really gorgeous. So this has been a great day, been so much fun.
And such beautiful weather. We're so lucky.
Yeah, this has really been a lot of fun, and we really enjoyed bringing you along with us today. This has just been a blast.
Can't wait for next time.
Absolutely. And hey, we always take suggestions. Where, within reason, should we go next? And we want to take you along.
See you next time.